Hi, I'm Roman and I'm leading this trek right now. This trek is called Tamini to Garumachi trek, which we started from this direction over there. नीचे से हमने शुरू किया था from Tamini village and अभी we are going into this direction. We will start our descent in the next 10 minutes. The total trek is about 2.5 hours one way and the distance is about 3 to 4 kilometers with an ascent and descent. If I were to tell you about this landscape a little bit, what you're seeing around you, these are all the Sahyadri mountain ranges, which महाराष्ट्र में जो वेस्टर्न घाट है उस हिस्से को सह्याद्री बोलते हैं. Now, Sahyadris are a very interesting mountain ranges. If I were to give you a very interesting fact about Sahyadris, it is actually the oldest mountain range in the world, not even in India. As comparison to Sahyadris, Himalayas are actually a very baby mountain ranges. So if I were to give you a little bit of history of Sahyadris, these mountains are about 65 to 70 million years old. So a very interesting fact, where you see us right now, where you see this group of students right now, at the same place, once upon a time the dinosaurs also walked. These mountains have seen the dinosaurs, these mountains have seen humans evolve, and these mountains are now welcoming people like us as well. So that's a little bit about this trek and this landscape that we are in. Thank you.
आवाज नका करू, आवाज नका करू. चालू करता बोला. So this what we have here is a saw scale wiper. If you can listen to the sound, the name saw scale is because it rubs its scales against each other to make that sound. It's the sound is exactly the same as when a carpenter is cutting wood using a saw. The khar khar kind of a sound that it makes, that is the kind of sound this snake makes, and that's a defense mechanism to tell everyone that stay away from me, I might hurt you. This also happens to be the one of the big four in India, found in India. The 4 venomous snakes that we have in India, commonly found. That's one of them is the cobra, then crate, Russell's viper, and saw scale viper. So this is the saw scale from that. This is an adult. This is not a baby. That's an average length that an adult reaches. Very common in grassland areas. They love to stay underneath stones. They eat a lot of different things like lizards and all, but they also like to eat scorpions. That's one of the things about this thing. You see one more scat on the hair, wild hair, majorly found in the grasslands. They have their holes near the stones, large stones. They stay inside there. उसके अंदर जाके छुप के बैठते हैं. Usually active during the night.
What you see behind me, first you will see the tiny road going. This is actually not a tiny road, it's a big highway that is connecting directly to Konkan and then to the Ratnagiri and Konkan coast. So that's the highway, that's the Mulshi road that you can see over there, and just behind that is the reservoir to the power plant, Tata power plant in Bhira. Interesting fact about it is all the people in Mumbai, this same power plant actually powers the entire western line of Bombay. So that's a little bit of a interesting geographical trivia for you, and you've already seen the Sahyadri behind me. But we have Sudhir sir also here, going to give us some little physics trivia about what we are seeing.
So guys, what you see here is one of the type of power station. This is called hydroelectric power station. What you see is the reservoir. This is the first building block of any power station, which is of this type. So first water is stored here, then the next block is the water is made to fall, stored in the dam and made to fall on the water on the turbine. So the turbine rotates and it generates the electricity. We can't see all the parts here. We can only see the reservoir and some stream of water going, but not the rest of the part. Thank you.
would be going back in the wild where it belongs. But what we're going to do, as it's a wellness day, we're going to keep it far away from people. So we'll travel a few kilometers in the forest and we'll release this.
These are time consuming activities. Sitting in one place and continuously doing the same thing.
पप्पा तुमचे बोल माझ्या कानामध्ये बोल ग विसरून गेले पप्पा मायरची वाट ग विसरून गेले पप्पा मायरची वाट ग म्हण ना